My name is Coşkun. I'll be 47 years old next week. My birthday's next week. I'm an embryologist at an infertility center here in Istanbul. I lead a very active lifestyle, and part of my body that doesn't fit my personality are my breasts. They are sagging and they're shapeless. And so I've always wanted to do something about this, and I just never had the courage, and I was always waiting for the right time. And now I have a new job in a new country, and before that I decided, since I got the courage to get a new job in a new country, I would use this opportunity to finally have this operation done. Once I decided to have the surgery, a friend of mine recommended Dr. Leyla Arvas to me at Quartz Clinic, and I came to see her, and she took me through the different possibilities, and I decided on one that fits what I wanted best. And so it's not an enlargement or a reduction, it's just lifting, just to make them perky the way I feel like I am, my personality is. And she showed me pictures of before and after, and basically gave me confidence that she will do something that is what I had envisioned. And while she was showing me that, during her examination, she also recommended that I do something about my nose. She said that the tip is going to get bigger as I get older, and so she said that she could also do this and take care of that while I'm under anesthesia anyway. And the way she described it to me, she was very calm and reassuring, and so I've decided to do both and get that over with. So once I made the decision to have the surgery with Dr. Leyla Arvas, I'm now excited about what's going to happen next, because I'm starting a new job and a new life. Next year, everything's going to be new year, new life. And I'm looking forward to having her help me enter into this new stage in my life, and I'm excited about the outcome. So 6 weeks ago I had my surgery. Now I'm here for a 6-week post-operative check. The surgery went well. It lasted 7 hours because both the breast lift and the tipplasty were done at the same time. When I woke up from the surgery, I had no pain in either region. The only discomfort I had was in my arm, where they had the blood pressure cuff that kept monitoring my blood pressure throughout the surgery, so that was sore. Other than that, I had no real discomfort. The night of the surgery, I was continuously monitored by the nurses. The next day, I was already walking around, and the Dr. Leyla came to check on the stitches and to show me how to do the ointment in my nose, and to what kind of bra I should be wearing, and the position I should be sleeping in at night. And she did that very gently and she was able to, she took out the drains in each side. So there were drains when I first came out of the surgery, but she took those out. So I just came out of the hospital just with bandages on just a cast on my nose and some tape on the breasts. And I had trouble getting into my jeans because of the swelling and the edema in my whole body. So that was the only problem as far as leaving the hospital. After that, I followed her instructions regarding the treatment I needed to do with my nose, the drugs I needed to take, antibiotics, and painkillers. And I took painkillers not because I had pain, but because it helped to reduce the swelling. I came back after 1 week for her to check the stitches again, and then I was back at work the next day and basically able to resume my life the way it was before, except for restrictions regarding the breast surgery. So I'm not allowed to lift things or pull and push. And the doctor was always accessible, and I could send her pictures every now and then just to check to make sure everything's progressing normally, and she would always reply promptly and very reassuring, and so that was helpful. And she was always there, basically, and her demeanor when I came here was very gentle and supportive. And so all in all, it was a very positive experience. The staff at the clinic is also very helpful. And now I'm getting ready to start my new life. In 2 weeks, I'll be moving to another country and start a new job. And I feel good because I feel like much renewed and happy. Yeah.